everybody, it's Delanie. Welcome to another edition of Make and Do. Today we're going to be making these sweet little yarn dolls. A couple weeks ago we made rag dolls, which were super fun. And this is just another way to make a sweet little plaything out of things you might have at home. And let's get started. You're just going to need a piece of cardboard, 6 inches up and down and about 4 inches wide, and you're going to need scissors and you're going to need yarn. This one is just one color, but I'm going to show you with 2 colors just so it's a little bit easier to see, but you can make these however you like. And let's get started. So step 1 is we are going to take the yarn and we are going to wrap it around our piece of cardboard 30 times. 3, all right, I'm going to trim. Now, for all these other pieces, I'm going to use the white yarn so you can really see what I'm up to. So I'm going to take a little piece of yarn and I'm going to tie the top really tight in a bow. So if you know how to tie your shoes, you can do this. So I'm going to go over, around, and through, and tie it really tight, and I'm going to tie a bow. Then I'm going to slide my ball of yarn off. And the next thing I'm going to do is do the arms. So I'm going to count, let's do 4, 5, let's do 5. 5 strands that are close together on the edge off of each side. That's going to be your arms. We're getting there. The key with this is to try not to pull and make a mess. Okay. So I have my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Take 2 more lengths of my white yarn, and I'm going to tie knots. You can do the bow again. I'm going to leave a little bit of those loopies towards the end because we're going to end up trimming those. Otherwise, you'll end up with like long gorilla arms, which, you know, you could go for if you really want to. Okay, so looking a little funky. We're getting there. So I'm going to take another string, get all the rest of my loops pinned down. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the whole top, because this is going to be your head, and you're going to tie another string, arms it all. See where we're going? Okay. Now we're just going to take the middle part, take the arms out, and we're going to tie another string around your doll's waist. So then you can have two choices here. You can make your rag doll have legs simply by just adding 2 more ties at the bottom, or you can let it be a dress. I'm gonna let this one be a dress. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna cut open these loops on the bottom. This is sort of the same if you've ever made pom-poms, which are a hit at the shop for sure. It's okay if you end up with a few pieces that fall out, and then you can give it a little bit of a haircut. Then what you want to do last is you want to trim the arms so that they're sort of arm length and that the trimmed ends act like arms. Now, if you think those bows are a little too much, you can always trim those off. But there is a little rag doll made out of yarn. And that's it. Easy peasy.